Hi guys, welcome to Base SAS course class 9, and in today's class we are going to cover these three topics: where dataset option, where statement and multiple where statements. Let's start. So for this class also I am going to use SAS help.cars dataset. Let's see what it contains. Select, run. This dataset contains total 428 rows and total columns 15. What I want in the new dataset all observations for OD cars. So make equal OD cars. Let's make a change. So I'll just copy this and paste here, and I'll type the dataset name is OD underscore cars. So I want all OD cars. So what I will do, I will apply a filter. So I will use where equal, then bracket and variable name make equal, because it's a text, so I need to surround this with double quotation marks. You can use single quotation marks as well. Select, run. So all OD cars is in this new data set, OD underscore cars. You can see total 19 observations. Let's see the log. So you can see in the log it is saying there were 428 observations. Read from the dataset SAS help.cars. So here is the problem, guys. You can see the output dataset contains 19 observations. That's absolutely correct. However, SAS has applied effort to read 428 observations. We need only 19 observations, but SAS has applied significant effort to read all 428 rows. We should use this where dataset option wisely so that this huge effort should not be applied. So let's make a change in this code. Instead of using where dataset option with output dataset, I will use this with input dataset here. And now run this. Output dataset is exactly same. Let's go and see the log. Now you can see it is saying there were 19 observation. Read from the dataset SAS help.cars, and this is the condition where make equal OD, and 19 observations are written in output dataset. So you can clearly see the effort to read. In the previous code it was reading 428 observations. Now it is reading only 19 observations. So huge effort is saved. So this code is more efficient, and this is what we need to do when we do programming. So guys, you are clear about where dataset option. Like other dataset option, where dataset option also applies to specific dataset, whether it is in input dataset or output dataset. Now if I do the same with where statement, I'll just copy this. I'll do make equal OD and semicolon. So this is where statement. Select, run. Now you can see it is giving us the same result. In the log also we are seeing exactly the same message that we received in this code. So now here you will ask, then what is the difference between where dataset option and where statement? So difference here is this where statement applies to all input datasets. So here only one input dataset we use, but we can use multiple datasets. You will learn this when I will cover combining SAS datasets, but for your understanding I'll just create copy. So I'll just go and I'll just use parse copy, and in this dataset what I will do, I will drop the make variable. So drop equal make. Now select, run. Okay, so this dataset doesn't contain make variable, and I will use this dataset. So now this where statement should apply on both these datasets. This is coming from SAS help.cars. This dataset is exactly the copy of this, but it doesn't contain make variable, and filter is applied on make. So when SAS would try to apply this filter on this dataset also, it will not find this variable and it should give us an error. Select, run. Now you can see in the SAS log it is showing variable make is not on file work.cars copy. Now you can clearly understand that this statement is applied to both input dataset. Let's go back. Now I'm going to cover multiple where statements. So in this one, this code, I'll just copy this. I don't want another dataset. I'll delete this and I will apply another condition. So where make equal OD, now make equal BMW. So I have two conditions. I am saying from this source data set, read all the rows where make equal OD, make equal BMW. According to you, what should happen? Let's select and run and see what will happen. In the output, it is showing only 20 observations and that all are make equal BMW. So that means this condition is overwritten. Let's see the log. It is saying where clause has been replaced. There were 20 observations, read from the dataset SAS help.cars where make equal BMW. I'll use another variable this time. I'll just change this type equal sports and origin equal Asia. Run this. It is giving me 158 observations. Origin equal Asia, but type equal, it's not giving me sports, it's giving me all cars. Now I will see the log and check what condition is selected. So you can see it is saying where clause has been replaced. There were 158 observations, read from the dataset SAS help.cars where origin equal Asia. That means the first where condition is replaced. So how can I use both the conditions together? I want all the cars that are type of sports and origin equal Asia. I want both, so I need to use and. So what I need to use, I am saying same. That means the above condition should come as it is and this condition should be added. So I have two conditions. One condition this that is placed here and another one is here. Select, run, and now here you can see sports Asia. All sports, all Asia, and total observations are only 17. Let's see the log. Here you can clearly see it is saying where clause has been augmented. Earlier it was saying where clause has been replaced, but this time it has augmented. There were 17 observations, read from the dataset SAS help.cars where type equal sports and origin equal Asia. So now you can see where condition joined instead of replaced. So guys, if anyone asks you the question on multiple where statements, I think you should be able to answer now, and how to join these two conditions together you should be able to answer. So this is an interview question on multiple where conditions. I hope this is clear. That's it in this class guys. We have covered these three topics. We will meet in the next session. Till the time, bye and take care.